previous classes we have seen what is fraction and some types of fractions. See, in the previous class we have seen about proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions and equivalent fractions. In this class we are going to see about like fractions and unlike fractions. Here I have given examples for like fraction and unlike fraction. See, observe this. Here 1 by 4. This picture represents 1 by 4 and this one represents 2 by 4. This one represents 3 by 4. Observe all the fractions. See the denominator value. In all the fraction, denominator value is same. What number we have? 4. So when can you say the given fractions are like fraction? In the given fraction, if the denominator is same means, the given fractions, if the denominator is same means, you can say that is like fraction. You can say those are all examples for like fraction. So that these are all like fractions. See unlike fraction. See in unlike fraction, what you have to see the denominator. Here we have different denominators. If you have different denominators in the given fraction means, we can say those are all unlike fractions. Now I am going to explain how you have to add like fraction, how you have to subtract the like fractions. See, here we can say these two fractions are like fraction. Why? Because the denominator is same. In both the fraction, denominator value is same. So we can say these two fractions are like fraction. So if we have like fractions means directly we can add the numerator. Just add numerator with the numerator. 15 plus 2, the answer is 17. And there is no change in the denominator. Same denominator value we have to write here. Understood what I am saying? To add like fraction, just you add numerator with the numerator. 15 plus 2, 17. Denominator same, 7 only you should write. See next is subtract. Here also same number we have. What number we have in both the fraction? 9 only is there. Same denominator. So in that case also what you have to do? The same denominator you just write it in denominator. Then here in between the 32 and 10 what symbol we have? Minus symbol is there. So minus means what you have to do? We have to subtract. Plus means here we have added. Minus means what you have to do? We have to subtract. Subtract 10 from 32. That one we can write it as 32 minus 10. 32 minus 10 is nothing but what? 22 by 9. 22 by 9. I hope you understood. If they given like fractions means how you have to add and how you have to subtract. Just add the numerator with the numerator directly. Similarly for subtraction, subtract the numerator with the numerator directly. I hope you understood this. Now I am going to explain how to add the unlike fractions. See here 7 by 10 and here 3 by 14. These two fractions are unlike fractions. Why? Because different denominator we have. 10 and 14 different denominator. So these two fractions are unlike fraction. So in this case what you have to do? We have to convert into same denominator. Then we have to add. Understood? See, to convert into same denominator what we have to do? We have to take LCM for the denominator value. Here what are the denominator we have? 10 and 14. So LCM of 10 and 14 is, see here 10 and 14 both the numbers I have written. See both the numbers will divisible by what number? Very good, 2. See how many 2s are 10? 5 2s are 10. How many 2s are 14? 7 2s are 14. Hereafter can you simplify? Hereafter can you divide both the number by same number except 1? No. So in that case what you have to do? Just multiply all these three numbers. This is the LCM value for these two denominators. I hope you understood how you have to find LCM. Just to check whether the same number divisible by same number or not. Here both the numbers are divisible by same number 2. So I have divided. After divided I got 5, 7. Hereafter we can't simplify. So what you have to do? Just multiply this 2 with 5. Then multiply with 7. That is the LCM for 10 and 14. So 2 into 5 into 7. What is the answer? 2 5s are 10. 10 7s are 70. 10 7s are 70. Now I have brought LCM value. What you have to do? You have to bring in both the denominator 70. You have to convert both the denominator as 70. Take the first fraction. What we have first fraction? 7 by 10. What we have to bring the denominator value? 70. To convert into 70, you should multiply 10 with what number? 7. Then only you will get what? 70. So here we have multiplied 7 to get 70. Same way you should multiply with 7 the numerator also. What number you have taken the denominator, same number you should take in the numerator also. Then only we will get equivalent fraction. So 7 7s are 49. Take the second fraction. What we have? Second fraction is 3 by 14. Here we have 14. To convert into 70, you have to multiply 14 with what number? Very good. 5. 14 5s are 70. So numerator also should multiply by 5 because here I have taken 5. So numerator also should take 5. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now instead of 7 by 10, what I got? 49 by 10. First write the question. Instead of 7 by 10, what I got? 49 by 70. Instead of 3 by 14, what I got? 15 by 70. Now observe the denominator. See, in both the denominator, we have same number. 70 only is there. Now we can add the numerators directly because now we got like fractions. So add 49 with 15. 49 plus 15. 64 by 70. 49 plus 15. 64 by 70. I hope you understood how we have to add the unlike fraction. If you have unlike fractions means we have to convert into same denominator. That means you have to convert into like fractions. Then we can add the numerator. Yes children, see now we have seen how to add unlike fraction. In the next class we will see how to subtract the unlike fraction. Thank you.